Hydrogen bonding in water, it's responsible for a lot of physical properties of water, like that high surface tension on these water droplets here, or the high boiling point of water, or viscosity, or even the high heat capacity. So let's take a look at how this works. So here's our water molecule, H2O, but there are two lone pairs right up here of electrons, and that's what pushes the hydrogens down. That's why we have this molecular geometry. There's also a pair of electrons shared between each oxygen and hydrogen. This is a covalent bond. It's not our hydrogen bond. But the way they're shared, the oxygen, that's more electronegative. And that means the shared electrons will spend more time closer to the oxygen. That means the oxygen side here is going to have a partial negative charge. Down here we'll have partial positive charges. Water is a polar molecule, and you can even visualize it like this. And that's why it can form hydrogen bonds, like this. So we have three water molecules here. Pause, think about how they might arrange themselves with hydrogen bonds. Maybe something like this. And remember, these are a lot weaker than the covalent bonds that we have here between atoms, but it still leads to a lot of properties like a higher surface tension, boiling point, viscosity, or ability to hold heat. That's it. This is Dr. B looking at hydrogen bonding in water. Thanks for watching.